Hi nail friends, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I did this beautiful breast cancer awareness design using Cherael Sky and Revel nail dip powders. So let's get right into the video. So I'm starting off on my natural nails. It's not really my natural nails and it's a long story, so I'll link to that video in the cards so that you all could check it out after this one. So now I'm applying my own peel off base coat for easier removal. If you want your nails to last longer, you should skip this step. I actually did 2 layers because I got some issues removing my prior nail design. So I'm trying 2 layers now to see if it helps. Now I'm starting on my thumbnail because this was my first time using this color. So I wanted to see how it looked when it was applied to the whole nail. And it's really gorgeous. I really like it. So it's October and it's breast cancer awareness month. So I just wanted to do this design and also remind everyone over 40 to go and do your mammograms and everyone under 40 to do your self checks and stuff like that. You guys need to be around for a long time, so get yourself checked out. Okay guys? Now on the middle finger, I applied base to the whole nail and then I dipped into the white dip powder. I did a few layers to build the nails and then I did the same on my ring finger. Earlier in the video, I said that the own peel off base coat didn't work in removing this nail design. A few days before, I did another design and I had a hard time removing it. So I decided to put 2 layers on my nails this time and that didn't work. I had to remove it with acetone. I did a few designs prior to this and the nails came off really easily, so I'm not sure what happened, but these things tends to happen since peel off base coat doesn't work the same for everyone because it also has to do with the oils in your skin, body temperature, and a few other factors that I really don't know about. So you just have to experiment a little to see what works for you and what does not. So on the index finger, I'm doing an ombre with the pink and the white. And I did the same for my pinky nail. This was my first time doing an ombre on my short nails. And I must say, I really like it. It looks sophisticated and shit. I get the hype. I see why y'all like the natural nails. I mean, I like my long bougie nails, but I get why y'all prefer the short nails. It's a vibe. Then I encapsulated the nails with Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder and my Uni Beauty French Manicure Tray. I did 2 layers, but I only showed 1 layer. Then I applied activator, waited for the nails to harden, then began filing. This is after filing of the nails, and now I'm applying my Model 1's gel top coat, and I cured for 30 seconds. Now on the ring finger, I just did the cancer awareness symbol using gel top coat, and then I poured the pink dip powder and cured for 30 seconds. And then I removed the residue, and it did not come off at all. At this time I was really freaking out. I freak out very fast. I have an issue when things don't come out how it looks in my mind, and I get really pissed. So I took a 5-minute break and I ate some of my English tea biscuits and cleared my head, and then a light bulb went off in my mind, and then I was like, Cherael, did you remove the tacky layer? No, I did not. So I went back and I applied my top coat and cured for 30 seconds, and then using some alcohol I removed the tacky layer, and this time I decided to mix the pink with some Diamond Dust glitter. This glitter makes every design look better. Then I used the gel top coat and I made this symbol and poured the mixture on my nails. Fingers crossed. Then I cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. Then I removed the residue and it came off. I was so hyped. Now on the middle finger, I'm using this spider gel that I got from Born Pretty. I really like it. This was my first time using spider gel, and if you'd like to purchase anything from Born Pretty, don't forget to use my code Cherael20 for 20% off of your order. Born Pretty also has a sale going on from October 10th to October 16th, so if you're interested, I would leave a link in the description below so y'all could check them out. So using my dotting tool and the spider gel, I just place it all over the nail. When I was finished, I cleaned around the cuticle area with some alcohol and I cured in the lamp for 30 seconds. And the spider gel was a bit textured. I wasn't sure if I should put top coat on the nail, but I placed one layer and cured for 30 seconds as well. It was still a bit textured afterwards, but I kind of liked it, so I left it like that. So when the nails cooled down, I applied my cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, check out my other videos on dip powder and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!